and this is still available in Canada. We have another Dior unboxing, Dior Beauty, and I am very excited because there's some here that's like a brand new product that I've been wanting to try. And a gift with purchase that is unexpectedly big. Look at this. This is bigger than my order. This is my order right here. Super cute. And this is my gift with purchase. Let's open up what I ordered first. Love this box. Always feels so good to unbox Dior Beauty. The usual stuff, greeting card, and my samples. I got Sauvage because I don't have any of these. I love collecting this because they are very giftable. I give them to my friends and family, and last time I went to the Philippines, I gave them all away. So this is my one and only Sauvage right now. And I'm missing one sample, I think. Or there it is. Oh my gosh, this is so tiny. I think this is smaller than it used to be. This is 0.5 ml. I believe they used to be 1 ml. It might be more expensive. This packaging might be more expensive than the content inside. So I think that's a bummer. Look at that, so tiny. Definitely one use sample. And I have here Blooming Bouquet. There's not much samples lately. It's a little disappointing. I wish every time there's a new release, there's new fragrances, new makeup. I wish those are the samples that would be available. But anyway, ta-da! So, if you've been here before, you know how much I love the Dior Forever Foundation Stick. And I left mine in the Philippines to my sister because the shade is perfect for her. Now I got one shade darker. This is C3, and I believe and it should be best for my skin tone. Look at that. Awesome. So very excited to use this again. I really miss using it. It's so easy to use. Just tap and then rub with your finger and you're good to go. And the next item is this is one of the new releases. Ta-da! This is the glass stick or gloss stick, Glassy Glow Stick. Glassy Glow Stick, it is like a luminizer on a stick, which is awesome. I love everything that's easy to use. I love everything that's tap, rub, and you're good to go. So, oh my gosh, this foundation is really good that you can barely see it. Okay, so there it is. Awesome shine. And I also left my luminizer. I have the compact one to my cousin in the Philippines. So this is perfect now. And again, so easy to travel with all the Dior stick products. This is my first time using this, so I can't tell if it's gonna be awesome. But so far, the foundation stick, the contour stick, and also the blush stick, they're all great. So I'm hoping this would be awesome as well. And last but not the least, now this, I'm not very good in using concealer, but I want to try and see if it's something I could start using in my makeup routine. I didn't use concealer right now, which I feel like I'm okay with it, but I guess I want to learn more. I want to learn more when it comes to makeup application, and so I want to try things that I don't really do, and hopefully this shade is great. I bought the 2C before and it's super light on my skin, so hopefully this one is just the perfect color, and I think it might be. This is, I believe, neutral. I got the neutral one this time. 3N. So there you have it. So those are all my new products. Now let's move on to opening the gift with purchase. And this is still available in Canada, not in the US at the moment, but there might be something similar in the US. So let's check it out. Ta-da! So I have the Sauvage pouch. I call them Sauvage pouch. Every time there's men's pouch, I just call them Sauvage pouch. And I didn't know that you could open this like this. Look at that. Perfect for traveling. It has a, looks like a faux leather material. Love the Dior print. They're very subtle, but has an impact for sure. What I'm disappointed, and I saw that in the photo, is how small this wristlet is. Look at this. I mean, if you're gonna add something, then might as well make it useful. But I guess now I realize it's not really a wristlet, but it's just an extra large zipper pull. So for that, it's huge, but as a wristlet, it's super tiny. Well, you could always get something else to add it here as a wristlet if you want to use it as that. But I think this size is awesome. The men's pouch are always better than the women pouch size-wise. So this is great for traveling. Could even turn it into a bag if you are into that. Super easy to convert this. And inside, it's just all plain navy blue. This one, surprisingly, don't have any Dior branding on the lining. Usually they have CD on the lining. This one don't have any. It does have the tag that says Dior Beauty, but that's it. So very big bag, better for traveling. Right now I'm using this Dolce & Gabbana makeup bag, also huge, perfect size, but it gets so dirty so easily. This is a canvas material, and as you could see, it's a light color. So every time like blush or foundation touches it, it just gets super dirty. But this one, it's gonna be so much easier to clean and maintain. So this is awesome. Still available in Canada. The promo code is FDAY26 for your medium purchase of $175. In the US, we also have a Sauvage pouch. I believe it would be similar in size, at least, just different design, 2-zipper, almost like a camera bag. The promo code is Dior Bloom with your minimum purchase of $150. So there you have it. We have this pouch in Canada and Dior Bloom in the US for this pouch. Again, this is FD26, minimum purchase of 175 Canadian dollars. If you want to see more promo codes in US, Canada, and also the UK, make sure to also subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's I Am Artsy Momsy, and I would love to see you there. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.